There are different ideas in the Web3 and blockchain industry, many of which we have covered on this channel, but every day comes with interesting ideas and concept, with many of them looking to challenge the status quo. Today we are going to look into IOTA. IOTA has been around for quite some time now, but we would look into what they do, how it works, and its tokenomics. But before we continue, kindly like this video to help us get it to as many people as possible, and if you like Web3 contents, then subscribe to this channel. We have amazing videos coming your way. Guys, without further ado, let's get right into it. What exactly is IOTA? IOTA is an open-source distributed ledger and cryptocurrency used to record and execute transactions within the IoT ecosystem. The native cryptocurrency is dubbed mIOTA for facilitating transactions within the network. Furthermore, IOTA deviates from blockchain technology and focuses on the technology known as Tangle, a special directed acyclic graph technology. IOTA's purpose is to solve the scalability issues in the crypto market and be the backbone of the Internet of Things. The problem with improved scalability can lead to increased transaction fees. Thus, IOTA introduced fee-less transactions, keeping the concept of decentralization in its rawest form. So, in case you don't understand the meaning of distributed ledger, let me break it down a bit. Distributed ledger technology refers to a network of nodes that replicate, share, and synchronize digital data and value spread across many different locations. Unlike with a centralized database, there is no central administrator. This is not so complex. Stay with me, you would understand it. Each node in the network can be directed or connected with two nodes, and those two nodes are each connected with two other nodes, and so on. Each node is responsible for verifying transactions of the two nodes it is connected with. To illustrate this a little further, if node A is verified by two other nodes, B and C, and both of them are verified by node D, then it means that node A is verified by nodes B, C, and D, meaning that three nodes are responsible for confirming transactions of node A. Now let's look into the Tangle protocol. The protocol underlying the IOTA network is called the Tangle. It was developed as an alternative to an advancement of regular blockchain architecture, which the founders of IOTA believe does not meet the scaling, speed, and cost requirements of the rapidly increasing number of devices that make up the Internet of Things. The Tangle is fundamentally an open-source distributed ledger without the chain and the blocks of a blockchain. In closer detail, IOTA Tangle tries to use the full extent of its data structure, which is based on a directed acyclic graph. However, in its present form, we can say that IOTA is not a fully decentralized currency, since the security of the system is partly based on a central instance, the so-called coordinator, which IOTA claims was planned as a temporary system of checks until the adoption of IOTA picks up further. We have addressed cyclic graph on this channel before, kindly check out the video. It is important to note though that, in a directed acyclic structure, information that has already passed between two nodes does not pass these nodes a second time. This type of arrangement is called topological ordering. Let's round up by looking into mIOTA and IOTA token. As you already know by now, the IOTA token is the native cryptocurrency on the IOTA network. It is the go-to tool for value transfer in the IOTA ecosystem, be it machine-to-machine or human-to-machine transactions. IOTA doesn't require mining or staking. This means the value and data can be exchanged or transferred without any fees, which in turn makes the asset flexible for a wide range of use cases. However, you don't get to buy the IOTA cryptocurrency on exchanges. Instead, you get mIOTA. That's because IOTA is available only in a batch of 1 million IOTA tokens, which means mIOTA equals 1 million IOTA. mIOTA has a total supply of about 3 billion, with the same circulating supply, while having a current market cap of about $724 million. And currently selling below $1. There are great ideas from IOTA and Quant Network, which makes me believe that there is a third force coming, or maybe a system where companies create a protocol that they totally own, just as it operates on Web 2.0, that is because capitalism has its own impact on technological growth. But the question is, would it compete or compensate with Web 3.0, whose foundation is built on open source and total decentralization? Let me know what you think about this in the comments section. Despite the fact that IOTA is not actually a blockchain, it still mainly uses proof-of-work features when it comes to the consensus mechanism of the network. Kindly note that this is not financial advice but for educational purpose only. Like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification, to get notified each time we post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.